Capitalize on digital advertising resources like social media to actively drive interested parties closer using ads, and ask yourself how better alignment between business goals and different tactics used during campaign promotions could raise conversion rates. What strategies could you use to test how delivery speed, cost structures, and incentives offered can impact affiliate marketing success? Leave a comment with your answer. If you want to maximize your affiliate sales, it's important to target the right audience and give them content that will capture their interest. You can use multiple marketing channels to reach more potential customers. Optimizing your website for user experience can help visitors stay on your page without being overwhelmed by too many ads or messages. Monitoring your campaigns can help you adjust your strategies until you reach your goals. Analyzing your affiliate campaign's performances is essential for successful marketers. It helps you understand where you can make improvements within product categories or events held over long periods of time. Even small changes can have a big impact on your results if you make them at the right time. So, how do you make sure that your efforts recognize these traditional indicators, measurable KPIs, cost effectively? It's important to track how well your affiliate campaigns are doing. That means keeping an eye on sales, click-through rate, conversion rate, average order value, and return on investment.